Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Okay, let's dive deep into graceful shutdown for Go microservices. This is a crucial aspect of building resilient and maintainable systems. We'll cover the concepts, the code, and best practices. Why graceful shutdown matters. Imagine a scenario: your microservice is processing a critical transaction when you abruptly shut it down for a deployment or maintenance. What happens? Data corruption. In-flight transactions might be interrupted, leading to inconsistent data or incomplete operations. Error propagation. Downstream services that were waiting for responses from the shutting down service will receive errors, potentially cascading issues throughout your system. User impact. If the service handles user requests, users could experience errors, timeouts, or data loss. Graceful shutdown aims to mitigate these problems by giving your service a chance to complete in-flight requests. Allow existing requests to finish processing before terminating. Close connections. Properly close network connections, database connections, and other resources. Signal readiness to leave. Deregister from service discovery.